There's a little bit of, oh yeah.
We're back outside now.
I saw, well, there's a little bit back there, you're outside. It's a little view of the queue. Like, I didn't even mean to rhyme there. Doing a 360 thing. Probably not going to post it as a 360. So outside we were packed, but now we're in the queue and we're just walking right through. Like, why don't they let more people in the indoor queue? I don't know. Do not disturb bats. What if I find the bats disturbing? Oh, you know why? The reason they say don't disturb the bats is, you remember what happened last time people got too close to bats? Mm-hmm. World shut down.
Yeah.
This is a really, really cool queue, though.
Yes, cool.
Cold, too.
I mean, I queued around here last night.
I mean, it is a queue. I don't know why we were held outside for so long. Okay, here's where they actually stop. Where you actually stop. Now, it is a GoPro, so it's not going to be fantastic.
Safekeeping of earthly treasures when the journey becomes bumpy. And to keep you safe and sound, here are special belts attached into the seats.
Keeping safe.
Whatever.
Whatever.
Inserting it into the mat, like so. You see the excellence of this invention? Your off-road journey is high speed and turbulent, going over rough and rugged terrain, and then suddenly you are turning sharply and dropping suddenly. It is unlike anything you have ever experienced, I assure you.
That's not true.
Now, my friends, one final word.
Because I have been on Dinosaur.
Once you've entered the chamber of destiny, look not into the eyes of the idol. That would be dangerous. Very dangerous. Well, my friends, your moment is drawing near. Already I am envious of the wonders that await you, if you avoid the eyes of Mara, that is.
Here we go. Let's go get that dinosaur. Wait, damn, one ride.
Hello, oh, my friend. The brakes may be needed.
Whoa.
Easy on the curves.
You have chosen the path. This path leads to timeless youth and green.
Oh, okay. Oh yeah, I can already see. Hopefully this is steady now.
My eyes.
Oh.
Your path now leads to the gates of doom.
Whoa. Very loud.
Now, we've got a problem here.
Oh.
Up to the left. And watch. There's a big step there.
Oh. Oh. That was cool. Cool. Oh. And it's dark. Can't see a thing. Ooh. That's cool. I like that. I like that effect. That's cool. Oh. Oh. Oh, wow. That's really cool. Trying to hold this camera steady.
Snakes.
Whoa.
You guys are all alone.
Ah! Oh. Whoa. Oh! That was awesome! I can see the screen, but it's still awesome. Thank you, Road. Oh, that's cool. Oh. That's cool. Oh! Ow! Hi, you're on your own. Oh!
Tourists. Why did it have to be tourists?
I like that. I'm pretty sure it's snakes. Why does it have to be snakes?
Yeah.
That's
Might
funny.
have to be tourists.
That's pretty funny. Wow, this vehicle's ready to go. Woo!
No.
Okay. That was really awesome. This is how dinosaurs should be. Dinosaurs kind of lame. Storyline a little on the weak side. But the set pieces are amazing. Still a little bit all over the place. Just for the sake of being all over the place. But it is a good ride. Now I'm gonna have to go back to the episode where we talked about it. If you're not Gabe, we're on the theme park duo where they talked about it, about what's new. I already forgot. But it's a great experience. The fire effects, some of the lighting effects, some of the screen. I'm familiar with that with the Wizarding World of Harry Potter. Yeah, you can see the screen, but it's still really cool. It's very effective. You like? Is this better? Very different from when you were on it last?
Yeah. I've got to say, totally different now. You've totally refurbished it. Yeah, a lot better. The fire effects, sometimes the fire effects weren't even working.
Oh,
So to see everything working was brilliant.
nice. Cool.